Hi guys. So as of now, recording this video, the time is 1:15 midnight. So story time. I received a case 1 hour before from my locality where I live. The person was very desperate. The person had a very bad habit of not saving his data and putting his system on hibernation. So you must have seen the teaser by now, the Kingston SST I just saw in the yesterday's teaser, right? So that was the SST, and this case was a bit different than the usual data recovery case that I deal with. It was different because the person was not in the habit of saving the data. So what they did is they were working on a very important office document, and they went out for dinner, and he just basically put his system on hibernation mode, and in case of laptops just turned off the lid, right? But what happens was something that he didn't, I would say, imagine. When he came back, when he tried to turn on his system, his type died on it, right? So the unsaved data, which was only in the RAM, there was no place on the disk, and along with that, the disk completely crashed. The disk was very unresponsive. The basically, if I am trying to connect it to other systems, right, I have many other tools, it was very unresponsive and even undetected in some of my data recovery systems, right? And after the trying a lot, finally I was able to get it detected in my Spark data recovery system. It's a new tool of mine, but that was not it. The data recovery was not finished there. After that, I have to apply a forensic mindset. I have to apply my forensic skills, and I recovered the hyperfill.sys file. I processed that file out. I extracted the RAM dump from it, and from the RAM dump itself, I extracted the file that my customer wanted. The customer was very impressed, and regardless of saying that, he is now going to make a habit of saving his data. So I'm telling you this because this case was very different from the cases that I usually deal with. People are usually bringing the cases like the disk dying on them, the disk firmware issues, physical issues, logical issues, accidental formats, accidental damage to the drive, right? These type of cases are very common, and these takes the majority of the data recovery business, I would say. But this was the very first case of mine till now in which I have to apply both of my mindsets, both of my skills, the data recovery skills and the forensic skills as well. And the customer was very happy. They are very happy with the data. They are going to get that promotion that they are after, right? And I am very very happy. I am very sleepy as well, but I am very very happy. It took me around an hour, but I am very happy that I was able to deliver the data to my customer, and I was very happy to see that smile on that person's face. So that's all for this video, guys. If you are in need of data recovery or digital forensic solutions in a professional way, if you are looking for only professional solutions, then contact Forensic Technologies. I'll be happy to help. We offer free inspections, and we also offer very, very economical solutions for all of your data regarding problems. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.